Hey guys, Micah, Outdoor Living Guy. We have another Tuesday tip for you, and it has to do with a seat wall and a fire pit. Now, we have a beautiful structure, we have a beautiful outdoor living space. This house is kind of built in an L shape, so it created this really cool courtyard. So the tip that I want to give you is using the fire pit and the seat wall strategically to frame the space. That's what we've done here. Right off at the house, we're going to shoot some other perspectives of this right now so you can see what we're talking about. But right off at the house, it created a dead space where the camera's at. So right now, we can just frame the space of the seat wall. We can stop people and stop your eye from going in that dead direction, if that makes sense. And we can add this beautiful destination, which will really attract people over to an unusable space prior.
And I can be out here all year round. Putting the heaters in, all of those kind of things. This outdoor living space isn't just for the summer, it's year round.
Oh, yeah. What we've done here is we've retained the slope with a seat wall with a backrest. Now we've excavated back, we used the seat wall with the backrest to handle the slope, and all of a sudden you have a beautiful destination with a fire pit and kind of frames the whole outdoor living space in this area.
Had lots of patio furniture, but it didn't create like little conversation areas as much as all of this has. So like the bar area here, which people could chat to people here. And then we had a fire pit before and stuff around it, but it wasn't quite this big. And then just having furniture that could really move around and little end tables that can move and create more space.
consider a very inexpensive, in perspective, fire pits are very inexpensive, seat walls are too, but they add so much for an outdoor living space. All right guys, that's the tip of the week. Hope you appreciate it. If you have any needs, let us know in the comments below, or please reach out to me via my website and fill out the contact us form. I'll contact you and we'll answer all your questions over the phone. All right guys, talk to you soon.